On July 23, 2024, at approximately 11:30 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on routine patrol searching for stolen cars. That's when they spotted Mr. Deontay Robinson as he removed a backpack and tossed it under a parked vehicle, raising immediate suspicion.
No, you do. Just put those shoes underneath the car? Mm-hmm. So his car or what?
Oh, the car just pulled in, didn't it? Or was that sitting there?
I don't know.
GTR 5864. Can't ride.
I'll stop for a second. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
What'd I do?
Turn around. Go get it, go get it.
Stop!
9-4, we got one running. It's going behind 1113 James, northbound in the alley. Go get it. Stop! Stop! You're under arrest! I'm gonna tase you! I'm gonna tase you! Stop! Stop! Show me your hand! He went into 1077. Dave, I'm out front. He's probably going to go out back. 1077.
Officer number 2 pursued Robinson, while officer number 1 retrieved the hidden backpack. Inside was a Glock 19.
1077. All right, give me a second. I get this thing he ditched.
Okay, 1077 South Jameson, under fire, 43H in the rear. Watch out, there's a couple pit bulls out back.
9-4, recovered a 33.
Officers quickly surrounded Robinson's house and ordered him to come out. He refused. Instead, his mother appeared at a window and negotiations began.
He ran right by him.
History on 6342 off.
Come on out, or we're calling SWAT to come in and get you.
Yeah, but let me try to have the results.
I don't know.
Yes, but scoot over, please, because I can't see his hands. I don't have my gun on you. There you go. Okay, I appreciate you telling me that. Look. Okay, he ran from us, all right? He ran from us, ran into your house. I knew he was in here. He's clearly in here. We have a reason to arrest him right now. So if you come to, you threw a bag down that's got a gun in it, all right? We watched you. So you're getting charged with CCW. Maybe you're allowed to have the gun. I don't know. Okay, well, listen, don't go back upstairs or you're going to... Okay, perfect. Perfect. Listen for a second. What's your name? What's your name? Deontay what? Robinson? Deontay Robinson? What's your last name? Okay. Listen, if you're allowed to carry a gun, then you'll get dusted off and you'll go back in your house. All right?
What's his date of birth?
That's fine. What's your date of birth?
With Robinson's name now confirmed, officers ran his record. It revealed prior convictions for drug trafficking and multiple weapons offenses, making it illegal for him to possess a firearm. At that point, there was no question. Robinson was under arrest, and the officers weren't leaving until he was in custody.
Listen, we're looking for stolen cars, okay? He's sitting on the porch. There's a lot of stolen cars that get dumped back there. We turned our... on this side, over off of James. Or Livingston, I'm sorry. So we stopped to talk to him, and he threw the bag down that he had and took off running. Then he we did. We actually did. No, I didn't tell you you're under arrest until you ran and threw the bag.
I didn't run and throw no bag.
Okay. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's why we stopped you. So, just come out and talk to us, or we're gonna have to kick the door in. And I don't want to mess your mom's house up. But that's not how it works. That's not how it works. All right. Listen, if you're allowed to have a gun, how old are you? Are you allowed to have a gun? Have you been arrested for felony? All right. But listen, we can figure that out after the fact. But the bottom line is that you're going to have to come out here and talk to us. You're going to have to. There's no doubt about it. So listen, why don't you just come out and talk to us, and we'll end this now. Come on.
Can I come out there with you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Both of you come out with nothing in your hands, and we ain't got no problem at all. And I'm telling you exactly what's going to happen. You're going to walk out. I'm not worried about you. He's going to go in handcuffs. Listen, he's going to go in handcuffs for a minute. We're going to go run him. We're going to figure out exactly who he is, make sure he's not lying, and then we'll go from there. What's happened has happened, right? We can't change that. But if you're honest with us and come out and all that stuff, things can go better.
I know how this works, bro. I'm 26 years old, bro. My whole life been in
No,
the system, bro.
come on, man. It's Franklin County. It's Franklin County.
This is my first year. I can't be at home.
All right. I see. Listen, but we're already where we're at. I know who you are. I know where you ran. I know you dropped the bag. It is what it is. That has to be dealt with in court at this point, right? Okay. Well, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now, they're going to come and smash all the windows out, and everybody's going to get flashbang. Guns are going to be out. It's the same result either way. One is peacefully and everybody's good, and we can work with you, and one is we got to yank you out of the house. So. Perfect. I appreciate it.
I'll talk to my fiance. Come and get me out this house, bro.
We can't do that.
She about to pull up. I'll come when she pull up, bro. I'll step.
I can't hear. Please.
I got a baby on the way, bro.
Look, everything's on camera. We're not pointing guns at you right now. We're being civil. I can see your hands, right?
Yeah,
The same thing if you come out the front door.
I can't hear.
Just walk out the front door with your hands up, and I'll put you in cuffs. I'll be the one to put you in cuffs. All right? We're not pointing guns at you. You don't got nothing in your hands. It's all good.
Just step right here, okay, and then turn around.
Yeah, that one's gonna hurt you.
I just worked with y'all at the festival. Oh, did you? Yeah. Yours, Mom?
You're good, man. You're all good. It's all good. Come on.
I'm in jail, bro. I'm tired of doing this shit.
We're gonna figure it out, though. All right?
I'm tired, bro. Please, why you got his gun out, bro?
Until you're in handcuffs.
We have to because we don't.
I'm not pointing it at you.
I don't have a gun, right?
Here, come on, Dee Dee. That was the deal.
There you go. Come on. You want me to put the gun away?
Yes,
All right.
please. Y'all put your weapons away.
Come on out.
It's not even that
Come on.
serious,
Come on,
bro.
look. I got nothing in my hands. Come on, man. Come on. Grab my hand. Grab my hand.
No one's gonna hurt you.
Shut up! Keep walking.
Grab my hand. Nobody's gonna hurt you, man. I promise you.
Please,
You have
bro.
my word.
If I give you my hand, bro, please do not slam me.
I'm not
grab
slamming
me,
you.
or nothing,
Nobody's
bro.
slamming you.
Please, bro.
Do we look like we're gonna slam you? Come on.
Please, bro.
Here, grab
I'm
my
about
hand.
to come.
I'm gonna help you
out,
down.
bro. I'm coming out, bro.
Just stand here.
I'm coming out, bro.
You're fine.
He said, just turn around.
Go ahead.
Just turn around.
I'm coming out.
Go ahead.
Gotta get my girl a hug.
After we put cuffs, like I said, there you go. It's all good. It's all good.
Once these are on,
There you go, man.
See? Make sure you have everything you need.
Easier than you thought. Easier than you thought.
9-4, we got code 3.
Good. I talked to Steve and she said she's gonna get a search warrant for the house.
Okay.
I think they did. Hold on.
Wood?
Yeah. Okay. Very wood.
Park up here, the number.
Dave, I can take her. You guys give her a call
Yeah,
back.
I'll call her back.
240-538-440.
Man, I'm tired of this.
Ready to any
Dude, you're gonna go to court tomorrow. So
Tired, man.
How do you lock them? I got cuffs I've never seen.
Just slide that hand yellow.
Yeah, Monterey School is asking if they need a one lockdown or anything.
you're gonna go to court tomorrow, dude. So
Nope, they got to go 3. Great job on their behalf.
All right, man. I appreciate you.
Let's go around this way because of the dogs.
You can come over on the phone. You'll be all good.
Drake, you got a cigarette?
Yeah, he can have a cigarette if you got one. Here's, give me your receipt. I'll provide a new one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Boggs.
672. Good.
Here
Yeah,
now.
great job on the code 3 outfit. 936, that'll be clear.
We're going back to the cruiser, so he's going to be taken downtown and
From the first sighting to the moment he was arrested, about 45 minutes had passed. Robinson was ultimately charged with carrying a concealed weapon, weapons under disability, and tampering with evidence. He later pled guilty to weapons under disability without a gun specification and was sentenced to 12 months in jail.